Ain't no beach right now. Atlantic Ocean's coming up and hitting the wall. It was like really stormy looking this morning, and there's a few dark clouds out there.
It's true, that ocean isn't pretty good what it usually is. It's an angry ocean.
Yeah, it's a little angry today.
I think there wasn't a few tropical storms or hurricane here recently.
Okay, there's a few girls down there in bikinis. You got a nice good sized pool. I think I might get in that pool. Best thing about Florida, I love the palm trees. I want to live here. I love it here. This ocean, this is my thing. I love this ocean. All right, to the next episode.